Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Sultanbir in front of you. I am from Maniganj, but currently I live at Shuganta Point in Cox's Bazar. Basically, I am a student. I am studying in BSc in Civil Engineering at Anwar Khan Modern University. It is a private university. Besides, I am providing services a private company. Actually, I am a true lover. I enjoyed traveling on my weekends. It gives me pleasure. Since I work a job, that's why I don't get enough time to travel. This is my dream. When I completed my graduation, I will have a lot of money, strong career. Then I will visit whole world, inshallah. That's why I am trying to improve my English. So everyone pray for me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.